press all the intact berries, grapes on the press. Exactly the same principle. The first juice is washing absolutely the grapes, so you need to take off. And you have a bitterness, a very metallic flavor and tasting. And we enjoy to do it. And after, we all press the Chardonnay with open cages. This is an air pressure process. It's a very closed cage. And what maybe an open cage, we want absolutely to see very hard oxidizing on the must very early. Because you fight the risk from the beginning. Just after the sedimentation, all the color is going back. And after the first racking on the must, you are beginning with a green expression, something very clean, clear. And it's easy to understand that we don't need too much sulfur dioxide. And we prefer to see this oxidizing from the beginning and to forget the oxidizing process after.